Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have this G profile refrigerator and see I'm getting this warning reset filter. Okay, that means filter need to be changed for water. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So make sure you watch this video till the end and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So you can search on Amazon and other sites too for a compatible filter, and this is what I have used this in past also, replacement filter. So I'm gonna open it. So this is how it looks. I'm going to remove this outer plastic layer also. Next is to remove this seal before installation. Is pretty simple. Okay. Now the next step is first take out the existing filter. So this is the existing filter. It's pretty simple. Use general convention, anti-clockwise. Take it out. Okay. Now let's bring other filter. Okay. You see this sign. This sign is important. Match it. See, there's a sign here. Match it with this one and push it through and rotate clockwise. You'll feel it once it locks. Okay, once it locks you're gonna feel it. All right, so now the filter is replaced. Next, come here in the main panel, hold for 3 seconds. It may take some time or you may need to do a few times, but it goes away. Okay, next is whatever water is there, we got to flush it. So use some utensil like glass or something and press this. I'll show you. Okay, ready? Flow could be higher, so be ready for something like this. You have to hold it until the flow becomes normal. This is the first time, so you need to have some patience also with the new filter. Yeah, see, now it has become normal, so that means whatever was there has been flushed and it's working. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.